Modernly Kitchen, giving you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed, no stress. We're back again with a wonderful video, which is perfect for my favorite season, fall that is. Today we're making gumbo!
Hey everybody, I made gumbo!
If you guys don't know, my family is from the great state of Louisiana where we eat our food Cajun and Creole.
You're goddamn right.
We're making chicken and sausage gumbo, because they don't eat seafood and that's okay. This chicken gumbo is as equally delicious and just good for the soul as the regular standard seafood gumbo.
Soul is always important. You stop laughing at my ad-libs, Karstula.
I won't laugh at you.
Sheesh.
I won't laugh at
Just
you.
trying to be great today,
You're
okay?
being so great. So get your bellies ready for a warm bowl of this gumbo.
But before we get to the video, please make sure to like and subscribe on the channel. Follow us at Kirsty Iman Lee right here. She got all the recipes posted.
Let's make gumbo.
Let's make gumbo.
Here are our ingredients for our gumbo. We got our seasoned chicken. We got our chicken, turkey sausage. We have celery, Creole seasoning. I'll go over the details in the description. But now let's get started. With a heated pot, you're gonna pour in 1 cup of oil, I use vegetable, and 1 cup of flour. Now you're gonna stir it and you're gonna wait and see, make sure it doesn't burn. Occasionally stir constantly until you get this deep brown like we have here. Then next you're gonna saute your vegetables, really quick and easy, give it a quick toss. And once you're done with that, you're gonna add in some chicken stock. Now you're gonna add in your chicken sausage or turkey sausage or whatever sausage you want. You're gonna let it come to a boil and thicken and add in your seasonings. I use 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, which is Tony's, and sea salt. Now you're gonna finish it off with water and bring to a boil and add your shredded chicken. Look how delicious. Now you're gonna let it simmer for 2 hours. That's 2 hours, and this is your final product. It was super easy. The hardest part was just getting together the roux. And Evie loved it. She said more. More. We're back. That was quick. I mean, for a gumbo, usually when I watch my parents do it, it takes all day. But this gumbo was right to the point and just right where you needed it to be. Right in his belly. Now, I want to stress this. Your gumbo roux should be brown. If anyone else tells you that your roux should be lighter than that, don't follow that recipe. Do I have a Girl Scout or a Man Scout honor? Okay.
Man Scout, what?
Or non-binary.
Close the video.
Alright, so this has been Modernly Kitchen.
Not with Izzy.
Giving you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress.
Bye. Man Scout.
Enjoy the gumbo.
Thank you guys so much for watching our channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss another video. Also, in the midst of getting your kitchen blessed with no stress, why not bless yourselves with some awesome gear? Check out our Modernly Kitchen store for some awesome t-shirts and aprons. Get you set right. Do it for the culture.